Telegram is known for its security. The messaging app cares about your privacy and offers different levels of customization. In this video, we will talk about hiding your phone number so that your communication is even safer. Welcome to the Teleblog channel. Subscribe now because you can learn a lot about the best tips in the world of the messenger here. The Telegram Messenger has always been popular for its safety of communication and concern for the security of the user's personal data. That's why the Messenger provides a wide range of tools and settings that will allow you to hide access to your personal information if you wish so. One of the tools is the option that allows you to hide your phone number from strangers, thereby giving you the privilege of anonymity online. Telegram provides the easiest and most convenient settings to help you hide your number, so let's take a closer look at this feature for different platforms. To hide your number in Telegram on Android, first click on the three horizontal bars in the top left corner, after which you will get the Messenger menu on the screen. Tap on Settings and select the Privacy and Security section. In this section, you need to select the Phone Number button. After that, you get a very important and interesting menu. There you can choose who can see your phone number: everyone, your contact list, or no one. However, the last one has some limitations. We'll talk about them later. Besides, in this section, you can choose who will be able to find you in Telegram by your phone number: all users or just your contacts. As a final chord, you have an opportunity to select and add people to the list of exceptions from the rules you created earlier. That is, you will be able to identify people who will always see your phone number and those who won't, despite the previously established settings. And now let's talk about hiding a number on iOS. Setting up a hidden number is similar on iPhones. Launch Telegram and go to Settings. Then click on Privacy and select Phone Number. When the next window opens, select and set the category of users who can see your number. This works precisely the same way as I described earlier. In the same tab, you can set exceptions who can see your phone number. Next, I'm gonna talk about how to make sure that no one can find you by your phone number in Telegram and what else you should pay attention to when setting up this security element. And right now, I want to ask you to like this video because your support helps me make more content for you. Depending on the privacy settings, your Telegram account number will be available to either all users or those in your contact list, or nobody will see your number at all if you opted to hide it. However, it's worth bearing in mind that if you've added a user to your phone contact list, then your number in Telegram will be visible to the person anyway. Another thing is, if you don't want anyone to be able to find you by your Telegram number by adding your phone number to their address book on their smartphones, then you can specifically ban searching for you by phone number in the settings, as described earlier. Moreover, you can optionally share your phone number with a user who can't see your number. On Android, you need to click on the three dots in the upper right corner and tap Share my phone number. For iOS, there is no such button, but when you add a person to your contacts, you will be prompted to show or hide your phone number. If you want to reveal your number in Telegram to the person you're communicating with, set the maximum privacy settings as described above, or set a special exception for that person, and then chat without adding the person to your Telegram contacts. If you don't add the person to your contact list with the appropriate privacy settings, my contacts, or nobody, or an exception, the other person won't see your phone number. At the same time, be careful not to accidentally click the Add to Contacts button when chatting. So, do you consider Telegram a secure messenger? And which security settings would you improve? Share your thoughts in the comments, please, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to be the first to get new videos. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching. It's the Teleblog channel. Subscribe and be trendy.